Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Adobe Express webpage. First, navigate to the Adobe Express website using your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll be greeted by an intuitive interface, perfect for creators of all skill levels. Take a moment to explore the dashboard, where you'll find a wide array of project types. You can choose from thousands of professionally designed templates, ranging from social media posts to detailed flyers, making your creative journey incredibly simple and efficient. To begin a new project, you can either select one of the many pre-designed templates or opt for a blank canvas to unleash your unique vision. The platform features a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to effortlessly add images, text boxes, and decorative icons. On the left-hand side, you'll find the editing panel, where you can precisely adjust fonts, colors, and sizes, ensuring your design perfectly matches your creative intent in just a few clicks. Elevate your designs by applying a wide range of effects and filters to your images, giving them a polished, professional appearance. Adobe Express also allows you to integrate animated elements and short video clips, transforming static graphics into engaging, dynamic content. For team projects, you can easily share a project link, enabling seamless collaboration and real-time feedback from up to 10 team members, streamlining your workflow significantly. Once your masterpiece is complete, downloading is straightforward. You can export your project in various formats, including high-quality JPEG, transparent PNG, or print-ready PDF, depending on your needs. Adobe Express also offers direct sharing options to popular social media platforms, saving you valuable time. All your projects are automatically saved to the cloud, ensuring easy access and the ability to make future edits from any device, anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.